After the Galwan Valley clash in 2020, India banned over 200 Chinese apps TikTok, PUBG, WeChat. The message was clear India was decoupling from China. In financial year 2026, China overtook the United States to becoming India's single largest trading partner, $151 billion in bilateral trade. A trade deficit of $112 billion, meaning India bought $112 billion more from China than it sold, confirmed by India's own government data. Here is why this is not a contradiction. It is a structural reality that no amount of political nationalism can quickly change. India's manufacturing sector runs on Chinese inputs, electronic components, solar panels, 80% imported from China. Pharmaceutical ingredients, over 60% of active pharmaceutical ingredients come from China. Machinery, chemicals, the supply chains that produce made in India products are built or made in China components. The political relationship between India and China is adversarial. Soldiers died at Galwan. The LAC remains tense. China is building infrastructure across India's neighborhood. India is building alliances to counter China. And India is simultaneously China's largest source of certain exports and one of its most important trading relationships. Both things are true at the same time. The military relationship and the trade relationship operate on completely different tracks, and neither side can afford to fully break the other. India wants to reduce its China dependency. It is building domestic manufacturing, the PLI schemes, semiconductor investments, defense indigenization. But dependency built over 20 years cannot be dismantled in two. The most important bilateral relationship India has economically is one it publicly treats as its most dangerous rival. That gap between the official narrative and the economic reality is the most important story in Indian strategic affairs right now.